I'm gonna make a quick little video again to add to the channel. Sometimes, like your lower body side on your truck, I guess you could call it the quarter panel behind the tires, usually the lower part, it says truck's two-tone, catch all the road debris. And I did the other side a minute ago, and I thought it'd be worth sharing. This side's not as bad as the other side, but a way to get that stuff off. You can get bug and tar remover. I think everyone knows that, but sometimes you don't want to have to sit there and scrub because you don't want to pick up any debris that's going to jack up your paint. So I ordered a while back from Amazon. I got these plastic razor blades. They're plastic, they don't scratch, they do have a nice edge on them, and I've done this before a few times and it works pretty good actually, so I'm going to show you guys. So instead of scrubbing with the bug and tar remover, I got this right here, Turtle Wax. I'll spray it on here, let it set for a second, let it get that stuff loosened up. Take the blade, take the angled side right there, put it up against the body, just push down and go in lines. Just getting stuff off for the most part. And I'm not sitting there rubbing it back and forth, loosening up debris and getting it on the paint. Keep doing that, go down lines. Pretty much got the whole side. Got a few pieces that skipped over right there. Off easy. All right. Take the towel, wipe it down. Nice. Still got a little stubborn stuff down here at the bottom. Most of that's chips. Yeah, that's all chips. So I wanted to show you guys that if you're meticulous about your paint, you can get these little plastic razor blades. You can also use the bug and tar remover as a lubricant for the surface, or you can use like a liquid detailer or a quick detailer. I don't buy a quick detailer. What I do is get car wash shampoo. Don't laugh. But I get something like this. Pour it in a spray bottle with water, but it's an ultra constant. I use a big concentration of it when I use it. And sprays on there, lubes up pretty good. I use the same solution, wet sand. Works really good. Alright, so that's the end of this video. I'll look up a link for the plastic razor blades from Amazon and I'll post them for you guys. And that way you can get on there, check them out, and order some for yourself if you'd like. If you got any questions, leave them in the comments. Like and subscribe, share with your friends. And if you guys are wondering, that right there, that's not a piece of debris left over. That is a rock chip. That's all I got, guys. You have a good day. Thank you.